Marty K. No, it's not even your last name. Hey, guy. What's the story with that? Huh?
I drained the antifreeze out of it and I forgot to pick it up.
Are you getting gas right now?
Uh-oh.
And Dad said that for every day that I forgot to pick it up is another month he's not working. And I forgot for like 4 months, so.
You mean 4 days, but 4 months.
No.
So it's never
I
gonna
forgot for 4 months to pick it up.
Basically, what did you buy?
Oh, it's a Ezlynk by PPEI. 5 custom tunes. Number 1 is 30 over, 2 is 50 over, 3 is 100 over, 4 is 150 over, and 5 is 200 over.
But you can't use 5 because of the fuel pump.
Yeah, you gotta have the aftermarket fuel pump.
So basically, and what was it, 1,400 bucks?
Yeah.
For 1,400 bucks, you could have a 550 horsepower Duramax, which I mean, that'd be pretty sick. With tranny safe tunes, sick. So he's already got the tune actually installed. It's pretty much, what do you plug it in once to your ECU or to your OBD2 and then it goes to your phone?
Yep.
So you plug it into your ECU or your OBD2, programs the ECU, and then you can use it on its, why is this not focusing? So you just plug it into your OBD2 and then,
right here.
Oh yeah, that's right. Plug it into the OBD2, it programs it, and then you can do the rest of it on your phone. So he's already had that installed, and we've been running. Actually, they know about it, because in the last video I said that he's got it, I just didn't show any pulls. Anyway, and then,
talk about it though, either.
Yeah, we didn't really talk about it. So then, other than that, hi Charlie.
Oh gosh, what are you doing?
You're on the vlog now. Anyway, then you can change it on your phone, but what you're installing right now is on the fly.
On the fly switch, which I already installed.
So you literally just gotta pick one and you're golden.
So, yeah,
That is sick.
that's all the way to 5 and that's 1.
Yeah.
And the LMLs had bad fuel pumps because they tried making it better, even though they already had it perfected,
Yeah, and they ruined it.
and they ruined it. So basically they make kits to go back to the style that my other truck has. So basically, if you look in here, so this is the ECU right there, the engine control unit, and so you have to pull this connector off, and you take the cover off, and you take it off, and you can push 2 wires have push pins on them,
Okay.
and you push them. You got right here, I'll show you the instructions. So you have to plug 1 wire into this one and 1 wire into that one.
Alright.
And you put it all back together and you hook it up. So basically you turn the key on, and then there's a little button right here. When you press it, it'll light up if it works. And then to see if it works better, it'll dim if it's on 5, and it'll be as bright as it is on 1.
So basically everything's done. Would you just drill in there and put that in yourself?
Yep, it comes with a template, which I ruined, but, so I can't show you, but it has 2 holes. You have to drill an 1/8 inch hole and a 3/8 hole. The 1/8 inch is like a stud, so it keeps it from turning when you turn the knob. And then there's an Allen wrench for a set screw, so you can set the knob to go wherever you want.
Basically we're just gonna clean, tighten everything up, and then we'll go do some pulls.
Basically, if you take the fuse box cover off from underneath there, then there's 2 clips on the side. If you can look in here and see it, there's one here and then one on the other side. You just squeeze it together, and then the whole fuse box just comes right out, just like that.
Oh yeah.
And then if you look way up in there, there's a grommet going to the outside of the cab, those black and yellow wires. That's my switch wires.
Oh, okay.
So
Also, if you're doing this, make sure you pull the negative cable before you do this, before you pull the ECM apart. Because it'll probably erase all your crap, won't it?
I'm pretty sure.
You can do some damage to your ECM, so. now that we got that all set up, we're gonna go do some pulls.
Crabby, so I have to get one. Right now we're on 1.
We're on setting 1. All right.
I think so. I don't know. I really don't know how to
Tell me when you're doing. Oh, you got it. There, you got it on his phone right there.
Vehicle not detected. There we go.
Look at those lights. Nice.
We're gonna try it in every position and see if we think it's any faster.
Except 5.
Except 5. We know it rips at 150.
We sure do know it rips at 150 over. All right, so this is an extra 30 horse. What, on tune 1?
Yep, optimized stock they call it. I can't tell.
That's pretty close to stock. It already pulls harder. Was that 60 over?
Yeah, 50 or I think it's 50.
That was number 2. Yeah, that definitely pulls harder than 1.
All
Here's
right.
number 3.
Yeah.
So what, 100 over?
100 over, yeah.
Let's see how many miles. Is that floored?
Yeah. That sure didn't take off as good as.
Okay, so long story short, when we were doing those previous videos, for some reason we already know what 4 feels like, and when we switched it to 4, it wasn't switching right. So disregard the on the fly not working. We're still gonna show you what tune 4 feels like. Artie's setting it up right now.
Yeah.
All right. Just slipping. Yeah, that's definitely 4 right there. See if you don't spin this time.
Right there was a quarter. Not quite a quarter. It was actually a little under a quarter. Just curious.
So what would you say? Is it worth it?
Yeah.
Was it worth 1,500 bucks for the whole setup?
Well, it sure wasn't 1,500 for the whole setup. It was 1,400.
Well, yeah, but then you're on the fly. That's why I said setup.
Yeah, but on the fly, it was part of the whole setup.
So what, 1,450?
No.
1,400 bucks?
Whatever I sent you was with the on the fly.
Oh, okay.
So like, it was actually like $1,380 or something.
$1,400 tune, Ezlynk. I'd say she's pretty worth it. 150 over tune, 150 over horsepower.
Once we get it figured out.
Yeah. And if you get that new fuel pump, there's 200.
Yeah.
600 horse Duramax just for the tune there and a fuel pump there, buddy.
Yeah.
All right. Now I get to drive this. Why do you drive so freaking close?
Because I can't push the clutch in all the way if my knees aren't touching the front.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you're looking for a tune for your Duramax, I'm 99% positive that they make tunes not just for LMLs, but for every other Duramax as well, because he's been talking about getting one for his LLY. definitely worth it. And like I said, if he gets that upgraded fuel pump, he can be pushing 200, and that'd be even better than the 150 it is at now. So definitely worth it. This is also the second video I've realized that working on his truck, I haven't shown my face until the end. So, but hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you found it helpful. If you're new to the channel, I make videos on restoring my SHO, my Ram 1500, my dream truck, and then all my buddies' vehicles, and everything we do with our cars and all that kind of stuff. So hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.